That's not bad. Very nice. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and Kazan back here with another video. I'm not too sure what we're getting ourselves into quite yet. We're doing a ball joint, we gotta knock out an oil change, and then we might be diving into body work on the R30. Before we hop into today's video, make sure you guys are liking, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. And I have started to stream in the evenings. I don't have a set schedule, but generally it's like 9 to 12 Eastern Standard Time. So pull up, see you guys on the stream, and let's get right into today's video. For those of you guys that don't know, this is Kazan's wagon. This is Kazan, and this thing's hard, you know? I mean, we got, I don't even remember what wheels, but this thing's hard. Fresh, nice flaky paint. Static as all hell. I know this is the stuff you guys miss. I'll get another static car eventually. I really want to do E36, but also slide it and have it static. Or should I do the big boy? Should I do Wagoon static? Let me know. I don't know where y'all are from, but here in North Carolina it's gotten cold recently. For anybody with the old winter beater, you'll understand the need to now add a whole bunch of fluids. The first one on our list today is going to be power steering with a stop leak. Oh. I'm good. I've only spilled a little. All right, that's enough. That's plenty. Wiping this down in an effort to not smell a whole bunch of burning power steering. Y'all, here's one of the benefits of a static car.
It's like 10, dude.
It's a very flattened exhaust or downpipe. Y'all, this just in, Kazan's car is haunted.
No.
The lady died, and now Kazan has it.
I don't know if she actually died.
I mean,
I just don't understand why there was all their stuff still in it when I bought it.
I think it's haunted. That's the stuff she left to control and scare you.
Yeah.
But here we go. 10-minute oil change starting right now. World record oil change run. Here we go. Anybody in the comments right now? This is a Subaru Boxer motor, 200,000 miles. Please guess how much oil is about to come out of here. Okay, we're doing good so far. We're doing good.
Which is good.
Yeah, I mean, there's oil in there. It looks more like water.
Yo, Fitz.
Y'all, my track record with oil changes is not very good. It should just be draining.
Oh, it is. It's just going really quick.
That was close.
Do you have a towel?
Yeah, I got you. Subarus have the easiest oil change, dude. You can have this done in like 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Like literally, we're gonna take this off, screw on the new one, and we'll be set. So Kazan definitely, it's like he doesn't need tires, and then you come around to the side, and then you're like, whoa, that's wires.
You just kind of want to like let it fall.
I don't know if you guys have watched the Gallenberg series yet. If you still haven't, somehow go check it out. But right here is where Carson's car, he backed into it and just the exhaust made a nice little circle here.
That was so funny, dude.
Is it threading on?
Yeah, that's right.
Thank God.
This thing used to have a lot of very rusty stuff under here.
The 4.8 quarts for the old girl. Alright, so we have successfully knocked out the oil change. Now it's time to do a ball joint. I have not done one. Kazan said it shouldn't be too bad.
No, it should be bad.
It should be bad?
Dude, I've tried like 6 different things and it hasn't came out.
So it might take some hammering or some fire.
It might just not come out, and if it doesn't, it's okay. It's just like I want to look at it.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. That one's what? Oh my God, little tight.
Dude, I don't want my wheels falling off.
Here is the bottom of his control arm, and up in there, in that little locking place, is the ball joint that we need to replace. We're going to start by removing this lower nut and then see what we can do to begin to get this ball joint out of here. Alright, step 1 complete. So right there you guys can see there's supposed to be a bolt right there, but Kazan has informed me that he drilled it out. So that's already taken care of. That was step 2. Now we're going to try to pry apart this top part and see somehow if we can get this ball joint out. First, we're trying to just get this lower control arm to come out.
Oh, I know why.
Why? Oh, nice. Yeah, no, that's never gonna come undone, is it?
No.
And then we'll be set. Actually, let our control arm drop. Just pull it. Hopefully it doesn't like snap out of there.
Yeah, that's what I'm... Oh, it's not even...
Oh, you're set. Now the whole arm should drop, right? Nice. So we just watched a video and we saw a fellow YouTube mechanic just have the arm attached right there, but have the sway bar disconnected. And then what we're gonna do is try to pry that whole lower arm down to pop out the whole ball joint assembly. We're gonna see what happens. They made it look really easy in the video, so I'm interested to see how easy it is in real life.
No, I don't think it is.
Got our jack bar pry handle here, and then we have the wedge between that little piece you guys saw earlier we're trying to pull apart. Now we're gonna just try to just pop it out of the bottom of the hub right there. So I really hope this works. I think with 2 people and some frustration, we'll get it.
100%, that should pop it out. Wanna try? Right. Ain't no way. Oh, it's coming off. No, that's not it. That's not it. Like, it's about to come off. Like, you're about to. Yeah, like that.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, no, it has not moved.
Ain't no way, bro.
Yeah.
If the ball joint was gonna pop out of there, it would have been either under both of our body weights. That didn't work, that's not happening. We are gonna have to switch these wheels around though, because the rear has such a better alignment and the front tires are shot. You guys saw the wires on those. So you're looking, you're like, dang, yeah, you know, the tread's nice, and then where the contact patch actually is, straight wire. So hopefully the rear has a better alignment to get them home. Kaz, you need to flip these things, man.
Yeah.
Actually, you might have missed it.
I think I did. I think they're too far.
Hey, you guys let us know. Did Kaz miss the flip? I vote yes. I don't want homeboy dying. Y'all, look how bad this is. So one positive thing out of this is the worst tire, Kaz just said, is going where the best eyeball alignment was. Yeah, there's no wires at all. So it will most definitely be fine making it home. And I think after this, we're gonna go out and shoot some photos, go for a little cruise, take the R32 out. It's gonna be a good day. We got everything ready and we are now headed to the car wash before we take some photos. Let's do it. So Kaz and I made it out to the car wash. These things look beautiful, pulled into the bay. Ooh, probably gonna try to get some pictures of these things soapy, so be ready for that. We're getting ready to just wash these things down though before we go out and explore for the rest of our day. I don't know what soap this car wash uses, but dude, it's like a ceramic wax. Hopefully you guys can see that line. It's the only last time I'd washed my car was here actually, and to have all this dirt just rinse off, like look at this. It's like a really nice ceramic coat, so I'll take it. I will take it. The lighting here, unfortunately, is too whack for photos, and my soap didn't work. It rinsed off all the dirt, which is great, but I'm kind of pissed the soap didn't work. How's it going?
Hold on. My soap no work.
It must just be out of soap. Got spot number 2, and nothing says North Carolina like some trees, some fields, and a couple of nice cars. So we're gonna get some photos here. I think these are gonna be able to come out like fire, because I can manipulate all of these colors and stuff in photo editing, which is so cool. But dude, just check this out already. Look at this. Fire. All right. I'll show you guys some pictures here in a minute. So these photos came out all right. These are also cropped just so they'll fit the video. This second one here is way overexposed. I couldn't get that white quite down enough. And then this back one is the best, my favorite, but still kind of mid. We are on to spot number 2. If you were the nice lady that stopped and said hello, I forgot your name, but thank you for stopping and saying hello. I'm glad we weren't getting in trouble. I kind of thought, I was like, oh man, she's coming up here to like say we can't shoot here or whatever. But she just had some photography questions. That was awesome. Let's go to our next spot. Honestly, like my car might drive like just dog shit, like so bad, but it looks good. And I bet it looks pretty good rolling too. All right, y'all, we are out here at spot number 2. We've already gotten a couple banger photos. As you guys can see, we got nice trees. The lighting isn't the best, so I'm curious to see how much I can do post-shot, like editing, to fix a bunch of that. But Kaz's getting ready to pull up my car and take a couple shots. It's gonna be pretty great. Now, these second set of photos are absolutely bomb. They're just so good. This one's quite, you know, not quite as much. This one was one of my favorites. All the photos of Kaz's car turned out much better in my opinion. This one's kind of gas, cropped like this, but I don't like it a whole lot. This is my absolute favorite, and if not this one, then this one. Dude, you guys will not want to miss these on Instagram, out very soon, hopefully. This is okay. I definitely liked his car, again, just in this area so much better. This one turned out pretty fire for my car as well.
This thing looks so good rolling, dude. I know y'all haven't seen it. I might try to get some fire rollers through here, but there's just so many speed bumps, unfortunately. I'm debating whether I kind of want to like bring my car down here to the water. There's a nice little spot by the bench that I really want to try to get to. And this drop, like, this isn't that big. And then it's just, you know, grass and leaves. All right, I'm just kidding. We're actually not going to. I feel like I would get stuck or not be able to get out of there. We're gonna go this way though and see what else we can find. Spot number 3, as you guys can see, is the whole boat ramp back here, which we found. I think this over the water is gonna be perfect. Also, the lighting is finally kind of even, so here are the shots from this shoot. Once again, these photos were cropped kind of funny just because of how I shot them. This one's all right. This one looks so much better in portrait mode just because of both of our cars being there. And then the lighting in this one is exceptional. Can't wait for you guys to see the trees. Hopefully you guys will be able to tell, but it is so gorgeous out here. We definitely got a bunch of fire shots. I'm still learning photography, so if you guys see any and you're like, you know, this should be a little bit different, just let me know. But dude, if you guys are not capitalizing on the last of the warm weather, if you're in the south, or just even the nice days, go outside, go take some photos, go drive your car and enjoy it. That's all I got. That is all I got. This is also where I'm going to be wrapping up today's video. Be sure to check me out on Twitch. I'm going to be streaming the next like 6-7 nights in a row, so come pop in. We're trying to get the affiliate program. Come say what's up, and I'll see you guys in the YouTube comments, and I'll see you guys in the Twitch live chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz and Kazim back here with another video. We'll see you in the next one. I guess it wouldn't be a Fitz Miller video if somebody didn't break down. Poor Kazim. Kazim, what you feeling right now?
I'm sad.
Kind of sad.
Here, I don't know if yours are gonna fit.
I hope they do. I have some fat tires on mine, and like we just left the lake. Obviously it's dark now, but it's only like, you know, 6:30. We just hung out for a long while, but we made it like 5 minutes away from the lake, and he DP'd. So we're fixing that. It's never a good time, but just got to deal with it and keep moving.
Bro, thank goodness that he has 5x114 adapters for this thing, because I don't know what we would have done. I would have to like call somebody else, find Subaru wheels, and
that would have been a whole mess. Getting ready to put it on the ground and see if it works.
Does it roll?
Frick.
Doesn't work?
Yeah.